YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. So today's video is a very special video, which is going to work with my dad for a day. If you didn't know, well, you probably don't know that my dad is a businessman and he owns an air conditioning business. He is a very hard worker because his work is not basically inside the offices like in AC, but he has to go.
Not saying those are like easy jobs or something.
Yeah, disclaimer. Not saying those are easy jobs. It's just that my dad goes to like different palaces, different apartments and companies. And most of the time the work is usually of AC, so it's usually in the terraces, which is in extrusions hot and heating hot. So we wanted
and it's
to
summer here.
Yeah,
the temperature is like literally so high in Bahrain right now.
Yes, and so we wanted to experience how it is working with that. And we are the future Stevisha and Stephanie speaking to you guys. This has already been a day, and now we're gonna show you guys the clips and the vlogs of how we felt for the day. And I hope you guys will love this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big like. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So it's 10:44 and officially going to sleep. Meet you tomorrow morning. It's 6:30, but we anyways got up. My eyes are sore, my sisters are too. This is the first time in vacation I've got up this early. Otherwise we wake up at like 9 or 10. And yeah, freshen up, and we did our prayer, and now we're gonna have breakfast and then we'll get ready. And this is how morning 6 o'clock looks. The whole streets are empty. Okay, so hi everyone, good morning, very bright morning. So we are in the car, and if you're wondering, it's not the petrol, it's the CRV which my dad takes to work. We are sitting in the car and it's extremely hot outside. We just came from home and sat in the car, and look at us. I'm sweaty. Me too. She's too. And if you're wondering, today is a Sunday and my dad has chosen this day of work because he doesn't have to go to palaces, as we are not allowed. We don't have a gate pass. Yes. So it's no palace day today. Yeah, unfortunately. So my dad is coming in a while, and then we are going off to the first place of work.
Okay, so guys, this is us. Okay, at the beginning of the day.
Yeah.
With a cute pony.
And let's see how do we look at the end of
at the end of the day.
Okay, so we have come at the pit stop of this is my dad's workshop, where we have come to collect a few tools, and me and my sister are waiting.
Understand what they're doing.
Yeah, but we can't. And that's the sun who is right with us and not leaving our back. It's so hot, and we have come Salmabad. It's hot. It's not even been 2 hours or 1 hour. It's just been 30 minutes. Good morning, everyone. Okay, so Dada, what's the first place to go to work to?
So we are heading to Askar. It's Ida Pro.
Hydra Pro.
Yeah,
Okay.
company called.
Well, I don't know what work we have to do, but we're gonna figure out how we're gonna help our dad. So let's go. Time. Okay, just been an hour, and I tend to be a little hungry, so we're having cucumbers for our snack, and we're gonna enjoy while going to work. Okay, guys. When my dad goes to work, he usually never ons the AC. My mom
Switches on the
Sorry.
AC.
He never switches on.
She has
the
no
AC.
school, guys.
Okay, so we have reached the first destination, which is Hydra Pro. Oh, we got our first task to carry. Now we are entering in. We understood the first walk. I guess the AC is not cooling. I don't know. What is it? So
Maybe
maybe
we have to decrease the temperature.
Yeah, we have to decrease the temperature. I think so. So yeah, that's the first work we understood. We're just catching the tools. I don't know what's that? It's called the temperature, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, temperature.
Yeah. So we'll help our dad in every way possible. So we have come out of the place and we are going through the back area for the work. So yeah.
So we have each got some work. I got this work, and
I have to carry the two.
she's using a tools bag that is heavier than her.
Oh god.
So we've got some work, guys.
You know we are doing it wrong. I don't know what are we doing. We're waiting for our dad. He's gone to the car to get some stuff. Okay, so
I
we
don't know
are
what
waiting
this is,
here.
guys. No
Yeah,
idea.
we don't know. It's something like temperature because there are
I mean,
like
it's
these
pressure.
temperature. Yeah, it's something pressure stuff. But yeah, I guess by the end of the evening we'll know what each
What it
tool
is, yeah.
signifies and
Yeah.
what it works as. So yeah. Guys, I'm attempting. This is shaking. Oh my god. Walking. Okay. Check. Whoa. Is it nice?
It's so cold. This one is like super cold.
Oh, okay.
And it's
That proves how cold the AC is.
Okay, I need to come down.
Yeah, it's too scary.
Oh shit.
Careful.
Oh shit.
Okay, that's completely cool, chilled, and we all are heading off. We did it, guys. We did it. And we have come over here. It's completely cool and chilled, and it's so nice to stay in here. And now when we go to the car, my mom has given us a lot of refreshments like watermelon juice for my dad. and
Watermelon,
everything.
cucumbers.
Yes.
Nuts.
So watermelon sugar. Hi. So it's going good. We'll keep updating you guys how it goes. The whole gas is in my hand, guys. And we're putting it in. Okay, I know I don't look much appealing. I'm really sorry, but you have to bear with this view. Really sweaty, but feeling gross. But it's completely done in Hydro Pro where we were before. The work is done over there, and unfortunately, it turns out that we have to go to the Zallak Palace for some work. And as I said, palaces were not allowed without the pass, which my dad is only allowed. When we reach there, I'm gonna show it to you guys if phones are allowed. So yeah. Hi everyone, we have reached the Zallak Palace. I'm sorry I cannot show you anything. I did not know that when we came to the main entrance we are not supposed to take the phone. I just took the phone and started showing you, but then I had to delete the clip. But me, my sister and my cousin brother are in the security room right now because we are not allowed to go. My dad has gone in, and yeah, we're gonna chill out over here because there's AC and it's like heaven, literally heaven. For doing amazing work, my dad bought us treats. Yay! Okay everyone, now I and my sister are in the car. Now there are some places where we can't go, like this is a villa of someone, of a sheikh, and that's the reason we're not supposed to enter in. So that's the reason we're in the car. We are in Sar right now, and yeah, we're just chilling. Well, we can't say chilling. Our dad gave us this work of arranging all these papers, so we're gonna do that. We look so bad. I'm not trying to be so appealing to you guys, but we are just like dead bodies here.
Guys, hats off to all the workers out there.
I swear, hats off to everyone. Oh god, it's so hot. Now the situation is we are taking pieces of ice and we're rubbing it all over our face. So here's our next destination. now where is it?
This is in Babal Bahrain.
Okay, Baba
Manama
Bahrain.
building. It's Prime Minister's building.
Yes, and at least we're allowed over here, so we have come to check. And now let's see.
Okay, so my dad and all have come to check the chillers out here. The chillers. So my dad and all have come to check the ACs out here.
Yeah, we had our lunch.
Yeah.
And
Hope you can hear us.
yeah, because of the sound, I guess you can't hear us. So we are actually screaming.
Yeah, we are.
Guys, wow, this is our Bahrain. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The view from here, like the Four Seasons Hotel. Oh, okay, I'm having my juice. Most amazing view is over here. We have come to Jaffair to go.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
To go to Q House. It's a very beautiful residence. Too hot. And what's the time? It's 3:40. 4, 5, 6. We have like 4-5 hours more. Wish me luck, guys. Actually, wish us luck. Wait, what? Guys, I'll show you something. Back to the workshop, guys. That's my dad, and he's really happy that we are here today. Hi, everyone. So we are in our not so clean. Actually, it's not at all clean workshop of my dad. Basically, I just
That's a very bad idea.
I want to sit here. Can you please remove this?
You know, I know why you're doing this. Oh god, this is so heavy. It's completely heavy and you expect me to carry it. Scrooge it in. Scrooge it in. So now here is the most unappealing montage. I found spray paint and no silver spray paint. Now working with spray paint is really hard and my dad taught me how it works, right? We're gonna shake it back. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And we're gonna
Baby got ballet feet in the open ever.
Now comes the very hard part, which is going through this small narrow place because two big ass washing machines are kept. But we're gonna try.
Hi guys. So I guess we have 1 or 2 hours more, or we're done for the day.
Yeah.
We're not very sure.
We are done for the day, guys. Oh, we conquered the whole freaking day. It's evening. It's 7
Now, the
o'clock.
next location we're going is our favorite one of the day.
Yeah, it's the most favorite one of the day,
Exactly.
and we just love going to that place all the time,
All the time.
which is none other than. Would you like to say?
Yeah. Our house.
Oh yes, our house. Finally, we are going home. I'm really excited to go home. Are we in heaven? Yes, we are in
we are.
heaven. We are finally home.
Look at our faces.
Look, okay, you guys saw the before. Roll the clip now. And this is the after. Oh, we at least washed our faces. We look a little camera. We wanted to show you something really important, which is mom prepared for us lemonade. She prepared for all three of us lemonade. She usually gives vitamin C when dad comes, but she prepared a different drink today, which is lemonade for all three of us. Wow. No better place than home. No better place than home. Okay, Mama, I wanted to ask you, how was it without us the whole day?
It was peaceful. But I missed you guys in the evening.
Aw, you missed us at least. We missed you so much. This was an amazing day. We had something different to do in the vacation. So, yeah. So today is the second day, and today we're going to be giving the review on yesterday, like how we felt, how was it, and everything. So starting off with my experience for yesterday was completely exhausting. But yesterday was a complete different day. For whole 12 hours we were out, and it was so tiring and exhausting. And I understood the how much hard work you need, and it's so hard to work outside in the sun. So I mean, hats off to all the workers. What's your review for yesterday?
I was so exhausted, and I'm a person who will go out in the sun, will start sweating. I cannot stay out in the sun.
Oh yeah, she
at
is.
all. I need to be in an AC room. Yesterday we were so exhausted, and imagine
Yeah.
like my dad, he just goes out like every day in the morning. And yesterday was at least late. It was like around 7:30. But most of the times he goes out around like 5:30 in the morning, and then he comes back around 9 or 10 if it's too hot or something.
Yeah.
So really hats off to all the workers who work out in the sun.
When we just woke up, I suddenly realized like it was 9:30, and we just realized that this time we were out yesterday working with our dad, and that time like morning it was excrucious hot. It was so heating, and we were just dying to go back home. And today again dad's gone to work, and he goes like every day, not beat Friday, he goes on Friday too, and it's incredible what he does for us. So we just want to say we love you, Rada, and and all the dads, they do amazing. They do amazing work, moms, dads, everyone. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a big like. It was an emotional video, so you have to give a big like, and please don't forget to share this video to everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. After you hit the subscribe button, you'll get a small bell. Don't forget to press that bell. That bell will help you notify whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay safe.